Hi viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today we have this Dell laptop. As you can see, this is latest generation. The problem I show you here, this is 54% and this is not charging. You can see this is excellent condition, but battery is not charging. Charger is connected 60 watt, and after 55% the charging stops working, stop increasing. So let me show you how to fix it. Let me restart and show you from initial stage. When we turn it on and press F2, come into the BIOS, and here is the option System Management. Click on System Management. Here we have the option Set ownership date. This is off. We will switch it on and save the setting. Apply changes. Click OK and restart it. Now it will restart, and again press F2 and it will come to the BIOS. Now you can see this is 58% and the battery status is charging. 60 watt, same charger, and percentage is increasing now. Now it is going to the 58% charging. Excellent. So this is the way how to fix it. Thank you very much for watching the video.